of kindness. She is the representation of gentle love and goodness, represented by Miles Ligara from Barangay Panas.
What are you doing over there?
Reina de las Flores, the Queen of Flowers, offered to Mary. She is the representation of purity and devotion, represented by Maika Reese Tan from Barangay Puno.
Reina de la Luz, Queen of Love. She is the representation of guidance toward Christ, represented by David Sugria Bihingana from Barangay Gaya.
Queen of Fatima and representation of prayer and independence, represented by Maris Tibon from Barangay Puno.
Reina de Lourdes, Our Lady of Lourdes, the representation of healing and miracles, represented by Ki Hatamusa of Barangay Gaya.
Honors and incarnation through Mary. She is the representation of acceptance of God's Spirit, represented by Mary Shanice Regine Lima Teniera from Barangay Panayutu.
Reina Immaculada Concepcion honors Mary's Immaculate Conception. She is the representation of freedom of sin and purity. Joan Lorente of Barangay Puno.
Reina is the queen of the family. She represents the family unity and love, represented by Jo Marie Quintero from Barangay Gaya.
Reina del Cielo, Queen of Heaven. She is the representation, represented by Sophie Malaso from Barangay Gaya.
Helena in royal glory. She represents as well Christian royalty and leadership, represented by Monica Pamutungan from Barangay Puno.
Constantine Alamosa from Barangay Gaya.
Reina
Elena Di Panoypoy, represented by Rika May A. Liber.
Reina Elena Dipanas, represented by Kathy Kiro.
They are the main leads portraying Saint Helena.
Discovery of the Holy Cross.
Menimba.
this moment